Dear friends, yesterday we discussed All the Words a Stage, a poem by great playwright, poet, and an actor William Shakespeare. As a dramatist, Shakespeare wrote 39 plays, and as a poet, he wrote 154 sonnets and two long narrative poems. All the Words a Stage is a poem from Shakespeare's comedy As You Like It. The seven stages are the infant, the schoolboy, then a lover, then a soldier, justice, old man, and last is a second child. The concept of seven ages derives from medieval philosophy, which constructed groups of seven as the seven deadly sins for theological reasons. The Indian philosophy and Hinduism also have great importance to seven number. Seven is called as Sapta in Sanskrit, and number 7 is a symbolic representation of various divine concepts. It represents 7 colors of rainbow, Saptaswar, that is Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, and Sa. Sapta means a week long program. 7 chakras through which flows the Kundalini energy. They are Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahat, Vishuddhini, Ajanaha, and Sahasrar Chakra. We have Saptapuri, that is 7 holy cities. They are Ayodhya, Mathura, Kashi, Kanchi, Avantika, Dwarka, and Mayapuri. We also have Saptadvip, that is 7 great islands. They are Jambudvip, Plakshadvip, then Kushadvip, Kraunchadvip, Sakkadvip, and Pushkardvip. We are in Jambudvip. We have Sapta Samudra, that is 7 holy seas. Then we have Sapta Nadi, that is 7 holy rivers. They are Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Godavari, Narmada, Sindhu, and Kaveri. We also have Sapta Lok, that is 7 holy worlds. In the universe, we have 14 worlds, 7 above, including the earth, and 7 below the earth. Then we have Saptarushi, that is 7 great sages, Marichi, Atri, Angiras, Pulasya, Pulaha, Kruthu, and Vasishtha. Saptarishi Mandala is a cluster of 7 stars, also known as a great bear constellation, clearly visible from earth in northern direction, and it resembles like that of a kite in the space. We have Sapta Chiranjeevi, that is Ashwathama, Bali, Vyas, Hanuman, Bibhishan, Krupa, and Parshuram. We have Saptadhatu, 7 vital elements, elementary substances that forms the means of nourishment and growth of a human body. They are Rasa, Rakta, Mas, Med, Asthi, Majja, and Shukra. 7 metallic substances are Suvarna, Rajat, Kasya, Tamra, Naga, Vanga, and Loha. We have Saptapadi, that Saptapadi is a ritual held during the marriage. Then we have Saptamatruga, 7 manifestations or forms of goddess Durga. Then we have Saptamukhi Rudraksha, and also festivals like Ratha Saptami. Friends, our Hindu philosophy is very closely associated with the 7 number and has its own importance. It requires a detailed study to analyze each concept. Hence, I request all of you to please go through our culture and find out the things, symbols, rituals associated with the number 7. We will have a discussion on it in the next lecture. Thank you.